My name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today, no more baby stuff. We're going in with full blue. I'm not using any neutrals to back it up. Just blue on blue on blue. The only thing I'm going to do that's like slightly neutral, I'm going to go in with my dollar store brush into the Face Candy Atlantis palette, and I'm going to use white caps just to set the eyeshadow primer. And that's all. Next I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it, and I'm going to go into Colourpop Backstage, which is a matte blue, which I've used quite a bit lately. And we're going to put that right in here. Now, I'm crazy, not stupid, so, well, maybe a little of both. But I'm just going to take my time here, and I'm going to build it up to how I want it. And be careful. Now I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 6 on it. It's a teeny tiny one. And I'm going to go into the Face Candy palette again and go into the dark blue Empire. This is pretty similar to what I did the other day, but A, I'm not using any neutrals, and B, I don't think I've used blue as much as I used to lately. So, wearing a lot of blue, you know, match my blue shirt, of course. And blue is my favorite color to wear on my eyes. Now I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette, and surprisingly enough, I've not played with the blues yet, so now is the time. So I'm going to start with Holo. Ooh, that looks good. Now, I know someone I watched on YouTube said that they had a problem with this shade, but seems to be working okay for me. I try not to judge when people say, like, you know, oh, this color didn't work for me, because I've had things that didn't work for me that worked for a bunch of people, and I'm like, but why didn't it work for me? Or things I've given to my mom, because like, oh, it's not pigmented enough for me, because I want like that. And it comes out so bright and pigmented on her. And it's like, why didn't it do that on me? So, different things work differently on everyone. I'm using my pinky to apply denim. Whoa, okay, cool. Yeah, I think the same person had trouble with this one too. Maybe it was something with the palette as well. I know something that, I'm going to go back into Holo and try to blend the two. I know something that people had problems with was the shade Family, the dark matte purple from the Emily Noel palette with Makeup Revolution. I don't have a problem with that one at all. That got dark very quickly. I want to keep the light blue in there, so I'm going to put some more. Gotta be careful with that because that changed very quickly. And I think to finish off, I'm going to go into Rage, which is like a, I still don't know what to say to this color, but you see like the blue-green reflect, right? I'm going to put that on the outer edge. Oh, that looks so good. I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it. And I'm going to go into Holo first. And I'm going to put that here. Okay, now that my father is done closing doors in this half of the house, I'm going to continue. Now, I am having a lot of fallout and I'm getting like glitter in my eye, so I probably won't do that again. So now I'm going to go into denim. Ooh, that's a lot. Let me be careful with that one, because that one changed the look very fast before. I'm going to go lightly with it, and I am going to use a little more of Holo just to blend it out. And then I'm going to go back into Rage and just do the outer corner. Now I feel like my camera is too high. Like now I'm on my toes to get to it. Meanwhile, I haven't even changed the angle, so I must have shrunk. See, now I feel like the camera is different. Whatever. Anyway, I wasn't going to do a brow bone highlight, but I changed my mind. I'm going to use my dollar store brush and go into the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. So this is the one from last year, which they don't sell it anymore, which is really sad. But I think you can still get it from the UK. Some website I was on, Beauty Bay? That might be it. But I'm going to go into Spirit. I don't know if you can see, it's like a purple blue duochrome kind of thing going on. There we go. Perfect. You know what? Let's go all out today. This is the Absolute New York Skin Glow highlighter, like a loose highlighter in Holo. So I don't know if you can tell. Not really. It looks white, but it's not. It's holographic, as the name suggests, and it's basically blue. Nah, you can't really see. This is my Moda contour brush, by the way. I'll have to show you a picture later so you could see it. I feel like you could have seen it there for a second. Okay, I love how this turned out. I love this look. This is very me. It matches my shirt. It's blue. It's all blue. It's bright, it's sparkly. I look like something out of the ocean, or, I don't know, related to Elsa somehow. I love this. I love how it turned out. So that's it for today. I hope you're having a good day, no matter what it is that you're doing. Bye. See you next time. And don't be afraid to try blue eyeshadow.